Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to design a clickable email signature and edit to the Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using Google Docs to design our email signature. So you have to go to Google Docs. To do so, I'll go to Google Drive, then click on New, then there will be a Google Docs option. I'll click on it, then it will take me to the Google Docs. I will insert a table of 2 into 1. In the first column, I will insert an image. I will upload it from the computer. I already have a edited image, else you can choose any image you like to add to your signature. In the second column, I'll be adding some text and some icons like my name, my services, I can give the spacing between those text. I can change the font as I want. I'm giving the font size as I want. You can do these steps along with me. I can change the color of the text. So I'll be using hex code. To get the hex code, I'll go to the HTML color code. I'll pick a green color hex code. I'll copy the code. I'll come to Google Docs and add the custom color. So it will change the color. Similarly, I'll do the same for the next one. Now I will insert some social media icons. For that, I have already downloaded some social media icons from the Google. I'll copy all at once and insert it. I'll manually change the size of the icons. To make the icon clickable, I'll copy the link and insert it to the icons. So by doing that, it will make my icon clickable and redirect straight to my social media profile. We can give a spacing between those icons. So we do not require the border, so we can select the border and giving it 0 pt. Similarly for the next one, we can do the same and give 0 pt as well. We can leave the signature as it is, or we can give some background color. To do that, select any color you want as a background, so it will make the signature ready. Copy the signature, come back to the email, go to the settings, go to see all settings, scroll down, you'll find a signature section there. Go to create new, give any name you want, create, then a signature section is created. Now paste a signature you have copied. Now you will find a signature defaults. If you want your signature in every new signature you want to send, then select the name of the signature that you have named earlier. If you want the signature to send in the reply as well, then go to the reply and select the signature. Go save changes. Then the setting is changed. If you compose the email, you'll find your signature attached. So this is how you can add signature to your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video. So see you in the next video.